Anong sabi ng pig? Yung cow. Yung lizard. Yung snake. Yung dog. Anong sabi ng dog? Yung cat. Yung bird. Yung duck. Yung elephant. Yung lion. Elephant. Ano sabi ng elephant? Yung pig. Paano ulit? Yung goat? Yung goat? Yung sheep yan eh. Sheep. The sheep says, bah! Ang sabi ng goat. Chicken. Paano sabi ng chicken? Chuchu. Yung monkey. Sabi ng monkey. Paano sabi ng monkey? Ang sabi ng monkey?